Yeah, so I just wanted to do this video about me at Derek's dock because I found something out. If you go in here and start killing people, cops don't come. Cops don't come in this area. Even though I'm wanted and everything, the cops don't come. And yeah. Just wanted to show you. I thought it was kind of dandy. I'm pretty sure though, if the cops are following you at the time, and they follow you in here, I'm pretty sure they'll still follow you. But they don't come in here before you're wanted. And yeah, so I'm just on a killing spree right now. Because I got kind of mad because I wasted my time going back and forth between the map. So, thanks you guys.